Hello students, this is the Scratch 3 window, and it contains the menu bar where we have file and edit. This one is the language option, and this area is the code block where we get the codes. Okay, and when I clicked on costume, I have this costume option and then the sound option. Okay, so let's go back to the code part. This is the area where we drag these codes with respect to this character here. This is known as sprite, and we have many sprites here to choose from. So I am keeping the sprite which is by default the cat sprite, and this is known as the stage. This is known as the stage where the output will be shown, and this is sprite 1. Here it is mentioned, and the size of the sprite is 100. Okay, so let's turn the page, and the green flag runs the code, and the red uh, octagon, red octagon stopped the program. Okay, so let's make a simple script here. First of all, we will go to events and get this one. Okay, so whatever I'm dragging here, I'm clicking and then dragging and dropping it here. This is the code block area, scripts area, scripts oblique codes, the same thing. And then I am clicking on the sound block and using play sound mu. Okay, instead of play sound mu, it is play sound mu. All right. Okay, so next is, then we are going to the looks block, and it says say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, say hello for 2 seconds. Now when I click here, it made the sound mu and it said hello as well. So this is the way Scratch is used. The character here is known as sprite. For us, this is sprite 1. The size is 100. We can increase or decrease it by simply clicking here and editing the number. And these are the codes which to be dropped in the scripts area, and accordingly the sprite will function when we click on the green flag. Now let's turn the page. I am opening page number 120. So I am using repeating block. So let me right click on them and just delete. Okay, so I am deleting the blocks. I'll keep this one, and now next I'll use is say hello. This is on page number 20, and then I'll go to control block. From there I'll take wait 1 second, and then once again from the looks block I will use say how are you. To get say how are you, I'll just simply have to click and edit it to how are you. Okay, so it is done. Once again I'll go to control block and get wait 1 second for me according to the program done in your book, page number 120. I am repeating it again and again. Next is repeat 5 times. To get repeat, you can see repeat block is under control block. So I am taking this repeat 10 and just placing it in a way that it covers the codes after when green flag clicked, and I'll just edit 10 to 5, 10 to 5, and I will click on the green flag. See, hello how are you, hello how are you. It will do 5 times and it will stop. Okay, it's done. It has done it 5 times. Now we have a forever block. We have a forever block. So for that, what we can do, we'll just simply get it down here and take the code out, remove the repeat block. How am I deleting? I am right clicking on the block and clicking on delete, and then I'll take the forever block and cover the command, and then take it back to when green flag clicked. In this situation, if I click on the green flag, it will just continuously say hello, how are you, hello, how are you, hello, how are you, and you can easily understand that this code is running with the help of this yellow border. You can understand that this particular code is running and the green flag is also clicked. It is easily understandable as the green flag is selected. Now to stop it, I will have to click on the red octagon. That's the stop button. Now it has stopped. So let's come to page number 121. Here the book is saying about the xy plane. So this is the x. Horizontal is x and vertical is y. So this is 360 pixels the vertical area and 480 pixels the horizontal area. So this way the measurement is done. This 100, everything is in pixels. Okay, so the maximum uh, length we can use for a stage is 480 pixels horizontally and 360 pixels vertically. So this is what we can do, and we have this backdrop option here. Okay, backdrop is nothing but the background, and if I scroll down, then I can see that XY grid. If I use this, you can easily understand that the sprite is exactly in the center of the stage, and uh, from the center on the left hand side x is 240, on the right hand side x is 240. So 240, 240, 480, and similarly 180 on the upper side and 180 on the lower side, that is 360. So this is the way the scratch stage is measured. And now page number 122. Page number 122 has a little code. Let's do that. So for that, I'll just remove this, right click, delete 5 blocks, and I'll go back to motion block. uh, in motion block I have set x to and set y to. So in your book page number 122, it is given set x to 100 and set y to 100. So if I run this, see, okay, you can easily understand that this is 100 vertically and this is 100 horizontally, and it is the position of the sprite right now with respect to the command used. Next we have turning. Okay, we can turn the sprite. So I'll just remove this here, delete block. Now we will use right. Turn right 15, it's written in your book page number 123. It says turn 90 degrees, so I am going to turn it 90 degree. Now if I click on the green flag, it should turn 90 degree. Just check, it has turned 90 degree. So this is the way sprite is used and things can be done. Okay, next we will first of all make it normal. So for that, let's delete it and then add one. Say let's use, okay, the beer. All right, let's use the beer, and uh, page number 124. Page number 124, let's use event when green flag clicked, and from motion I will use move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. Now when you click on the green flag, it will move 10 step. It will move 10 step. Next is if on the edge bounce, okay, with forever. So for that we will take this a little bit down, and from the motion block itself we will use if on the edge bounce, this one, if on the edge bounce, and from the control block we will use forever, and then fix it under when green flag clicked. So when I'm clicking on the green flag, it will continuously work. Okay, it will just move, and as it touches the edge, it will come back. It will come back. Now turn the page, page number 125. There is next costume. So for that, let's stop it and go to the looks block and take the next costume option and fix it under if on edge bounce here. Okay, now when I click, see, it is working. It is working. So okay, in page number 125, and there are two more options used. Let's use them. First of all, from the, okay, first of all we will stop it, then we will go to events, and we will, not events, control. I'll take wait 1 second under next costume, but instead of 1 second I will use 0.07 according to the book on page number 125. And then set rotation style is in motion block. Set rotation style, let's find out set rotation style from left to right. This also will be used. Okay, now when I click, see, the bear is walking slowly and it is not turning upside down. It is not turning upside down. That's what set rotation style left to right is doing. Okay, so if I go to file and click on save to your computer, the work which I have done right now will be saved in my computer. Alright students, with this we have come to the end of chapter 12, Scratch Programming 1. Thank you.